What's up guys, Ryan Lau here with my first video, and today we have a crazy unboxing. This shoe released October 11th in very limited quantities, and I was lucky enough to cop these online for retail, which was about $160 because it was a grade school size 7, while the men's sizes were $250. If you couldn't tell by the title of this video, these are the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s. So I copped these off of Travis Scott's website, which was insane because many people thought that this release was going to drop at midnight, but it actually dropped 30 minutes after at 12:30 a.m. I was lucky enough to be at my computer in time, and no, I did not use any bots, nor do I even own any bots. When these dropped on his site, only men's sizes 10.5 and up dropped, which I tried to go for, but unfortunately they sold out instantly. And somehow I was able to go back and grab a size 7 youth and check out. Anyways, here you can see the box, which is not the normal Jordan box as expected. You can see the small details that Travis has on the box, which is pretty cool because at first glance it seems like a normal Jordan box, but there are small differences like the color and the Cactus Jack detailings. So opening up the box, you can see the shoes, and they are pretty crazy. I've never owned an Air Jordan 6, but these are fire. I really like the colors that he chose for these because they're not super loud but very toned down and subtle. These colors are actually perfect for the fall season, and I'll definitely match these with a lot of tonal outfits. The orange hits all over the shoe go really well with the overall aesthetic, and quality of the materials are pretty good, but a few spots toward the middle of the shoe where the laces sit under have a distressed kind of look, as well as on the top of the tongue. I do not know if this was purposeful, but I do not really mind it. I have seen the bottom of these glow in the dark, so I'll definitely have to give that a try as well. In my next video, I'll be doing a full on-foot review with some fits that I think would go really well with these shoes, so stay tuned for that. I'm very curious on how the other laces will look and the overall fit of the shoe. And yes, I can fit into a size 7 youth because I have small feet, and the way Nike sizing works is that a 7 youth is actually the same size as a 7 men's. There are small differences between the shoes if you compare the men's shoe and the youth size shoe, but overall they're pretty similar. Let me know in the comments below if you copped or your initial thoughts on these. If you want to see more content like this, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe. This is Ryan Lau, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.